Guys, in this video we are going to talk about these tuples. These are exactly same like this, but once you define a tuple you cannot change the contents or the elements of this tuple. So this is like read only tuple, you cannot change the values of the tuple. So this is the list we have seen in the previous video. All you have to do is you need to put the normal brackets, open and close brackets. So this is the tuple. Now I can just print the type of this one. So if I run this, you will see the class tuple, and there are some normal functions. It says the length of this tuple, which is 8. Okay, but we cannot update this tuple. Let's see if we can perform some operations that we performed on the list, like append of 8. So now let me run this, and you can see tuple object has no attribute append. So there are no methods for the tuple like append in the list, so you cannot change the values or the content of this tuple. So one thing you need to do is you need to convert this tuple into list. So let's say L2 is equals to, you need to convert this list of L1. So what this does is it will take this tuple and it will take the elements of all the elements of this tuple and make a list in it. So if I just print type of L2, so now I will get the list. So as you can see, this one is the list, and if you want to change that back into this tuple, you can say L3 is equals to tuple of L2, and you can just print this L3. You can just see the open braces there. Now I will show you. Run this program, and as you can see, this is the tuple, because you are seeing normal open and closed brackets. So you need to convert this tuple into list, and you need to perform some operations like append or insertion, and then you need to convert the two tuple if you want. So these tuples are just like read only content. Once you define, it should not be changed, like a email and the username. So the username may not be changed for some websites. So if your website say have the rules of not changing the username, then you can set the username and the email in the tuple, so no one can gonna change those values. So that's all for this video. This is a very short introduction about the tuple. We will not be using the tuple a lot because it's a read only list. It's like read only list, we cannot update the values, so that's why we will spend the most of the time on the list than tuple. So in the looping videos we will see how to get each element and how to print each one. So that's all for this tuple video. I hope you have understood. Don't worry about this tuple, we just don't use that most of the time. We use the list most of the time.